group.
Hi everyone, I'm Eva, and I will show you how to, the first step of your generator, meaning basically the first step you need to do before you start setting up your ozone generator. So here, you need an oxygen source. Our oxygen source, or our generator, works with a cylinder, oxygen in a cylinder, or oxygen in a tank. That's the other way of saying it. But you need a cylinder. You can either rent them, lease them, or buy them. Now, two things you need to know. First of all, those are different types of oxygen cylinders. One is so-called industrial oxygen cylinder, or food grade oxygen cylinder, or this is so-called medical oxygen cylinder. This is just terminology. They come with different heads. Same stuff inside, different heads. Okay, the food grade or industrial grade usually comes with 540 valve. It's called a CGA 540 oxygen fitting or valve. Okay, the other one is called CGA 870. You see, they do look differently. This one here has got, this one here has got like a elongated tube screwed into the cylinder. Okay, so obviously you need different oxygen regulators, oxygen flow regulators. These are oxygen flow regulators. Okay, this is one that fits the 540 valve. This is one that fits the 870 valve. Two different ones. In North America, you will be renting, leasing, buying either one of these with this head, or one of this with these type of heads. Now, size of the cylinder does not matter. But it has got different heads. Okay, so once you go and you decide what size you want to get, then you see the local distributor. You will tell us which ozone cylinder you will be purchasing, renting, or leasing, and we will send you the correct oxygen flow regulator. Simply, they look differently, they do the same. When you get this oxygen flow regulator, make sure that this is on 0. Okay, and you will see for the 540 you have a nut. So you screw it lightly on so it's sitting. Okay. Yeah, sometimes it takes a little fineness, which I seem to be lacking right now. Just a second. Got it. Okay, I got it. You can do it too. So you just go as far as you can with your fingers, and then you apply this tool, yay, and you tighten it just a little bit more. Okay, just like this. Okay, the proof is in the pudding, I guess, or in the noise it will make if you now open the valve and you hear a hissing noise. You haven't tightened enough. No hissing noise, I tightened that enough. Okay, so no panic. If you open it up a little bit and you hear a hissing noise, just use this tool, tighten it a little bit more, and off you go. Okay, this is one. The other one is just as simple to apply. You actually don't need any tool for it. You have this regular oxygen flow regulator, which has two little prongs, 1, 2, and a nut there that you screw in. Okay, couldn't be any simpler, right? Here on this head, this is 870 head. It has got 2 holes and 1 hole on this end. So 2 prongs go into 2 holes. Wow, there you go. Kind of makes sense. And you tighten with this little green thing. Got it. Awesome. Now, those things do you need? Now, this one, you have to use a little tool. Tool. This tool to open the cylinder. Okay, you don't have the same head to open with your hand, right? Sometimes it comes with a little lever that you just open up, but not often. A lot of times you just got this one and you need to use this tool to open it up. Okay, anything else you need to know? Again, if it's hissing, you just tightened it, okay? Couldn't be any simpler. Make sure this is on 0. You open it up slowly. Now, there's things that you need to know. You open these device. You open that slowly, okay? Once you, to double check if you tightened enough for now. Slowly, and you only go about 1 times 360 degrees, okay? Same with here. You don't need to open it all the way. It's good enough if you just open it 360 degrees. How you will see that you have enough, open it wide enough, is this little dial here. You see this little dial? You have to have it, the hand showing green, being in the green field, and you know your cylinder is full. And then over the next weeks or months or whatever, it goes down. Now, there is, of course, what you also need to know is that you need to be responsible using those oxygen cylinders. They are not dangerous. They're actually very hardy, but you need to know how to deal with them. When you pick up the cylinders, you will be told what to do and what not to do, and you need to follow them, okay? So again, it's not a huge thing, just don't drop it out of the 10 stories. Okay, so I hope you got it all now, and over and out. Thank you very much.